English culture and traditions are deeply rooted in history, reflecting the country's rich heritage. One of the most significant aspects of English culture is its monarchy, which has been a symbol of continuity and tradition for centuries. The royal family plays a central role in national events, and ceremonies such as the Trooping of the Colour and state openings of Parliament are steeped in pageantry and historic customs. The tradition of afternoon tea, a practice dating back to the early 19th century, remains a beloved English ritual, often enjoyed with scones, sandwiches, and of course, English literature and arts have also shaped global culture, with authors like William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, and Jane Austen being celebrated worldwide. Literature festivals and theaters, such as the Globe Theatre, continue to attract visitors eager to engage with England's literary legacy. The arts, including music and visual arts, also play a significant role, with cities like London being recognized as cultural hubs with numerous museums, galleries, and concerts. Sports are another key aspect of English culture. Football, soccer is perhaps the most popular, with clubs like Manchester, Liverpool, and Arsenal having a massive fan base not only in England but around the world. Cricket, another traditional English sport, has a deep connection to English heritage and is often associated with a slower, more leisurely pace of life, with matches lasting for days. The Wimbledon tennis tournament is one of the most prestigious events in the sporting calendar and is held in London every summer. Additionally, English traditions often reflect seasonal changes and religious festivals. For example, Christmas in England is celebrated with carols, feasts, and the exchange of gifts, while Easter is marked by church services and Easter egg hunts. Bonfire Night, Guy Fawkes Night on November 5th, is a unique tradition where fireworks and bonfires are set to commemorate the failed gunpowder plot of 1605. These cultural practices, among many others, have given England a distinct identity on the global stage. Don't forget to subscribe to English Planet and click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest language learning tips, tricks, and resources. Join our community and take your English skills to the next level.